Here Osama Ghandour with you. In this video we will discuss how to trim a part of video, how to get a part of important part from a video to insert it in another video. So we will here cut a very important part from this video and use it in another video using in montage. So we will press edit, we will select the video which we will do this operation on it, and then we will press edit, then trim tool. Here we have to insert two important times: the start point or the start time of the part and the end time of the part. Here we will start from the here the total time is 443 seconds, about 7 minutes and 23 seconds. So we will cut from the time one of the time of 20 seconds till the time of 27. Okay, then save trim. So this is the time, this is the part of which we cut it. Okay, yes. Very small part. Okay, okay, then we will save this video, save the movie recommended for this project. Okay, put it here as part 1. Okay, save. Thank you for listening.